So for NEET exam, NEET exam, physics, this is actually pocket guide. So total physics, right, for your NEET exam. Here we are preparing a guide here, right? So you have to remember all these points so that you can summarize the entire syllabus of your NEET exam. So point wise here we will discuss and I will write all the points here, right? Now first point is, if a motion of the object is in a straight line, we have first one is distance. So already you know all these words: speed, distance, speed, next velocity, and acceleration. So whenever the motion of the object is in a straight line, these words will come. Distance, speed, velocity, and acceleration. These are our first point, right, in our pocket guide. Okay. Next is, already you know the units of all these four. Distance unit is meters. Okay. Speed is meter per second. Okay. Velocity is again meter per second. Acceleration is meter per second square. These are the units of these which are four variables which will come in our topic, that is motion of the object in a straight line, right? Now third point is, distance is actual path traveled. Okay, distance is actual path traveled. And displacement is the shortest distance traveled or shortest path. Okay, so this is our third point in our pocket guide. Okay, next one is fourth point. Is distance is scalar quantity. Distance is a scalar quantity, right? Displacement is vector. So you know already what is this scalar and vector. Scalar only magnitude, whereas vector magnitude and direction will be there. Okay, right? Distance, fifth point is distance always will get positive value only. Distance is always positive value only, whereas displacement values may be negative or zero or positive values, right? Always distance value will be greater than or equal to displacement. This is a very important one for your NEET exam, right? Next, types of speed. This one, types of speed: uniform, second non-uniform, uniform, non-uniform, average, right, instantaneous. Right? So these are the types of speed. Okay. Next is the eighth one. You know this formula, velocity. Velocity is displacement by time whereas this speed is distance by time. Right? Speed, distance, velocity, displacement. So when this distance is a which quantity is scalar, so your speed is a scalar quantity and displacement is a vector quantity, so your velocity is a vector. So velocity is a vector quantity and your speed is a scalar. Okay. In shortcut way we have to write down these points and you have to remember the total syllabus of your NEET exam. Okay. So these are the first 8 points. Okay. Next, ninth one. Acceleration is velocity by time. Acceleration is velocity by time. Okay. Types of accelerations are zero acceleration. Okay. Next is positive acceleration, negative acceleration, average, and instantaneous. So these are the types of acceleration. Okay. Next is 10th point, kinematic equations. Whenever the motion of the body in a straight line, these equations are valid. Very standard equations. V equal to U plus AT, S equal to UT plus half AT square, V square minus U square equal to 2AS. 11th one, you know acceleration due to gravity G equal to 9.8 meter per second square. For freely falling bodies, we have these equations. V equal to, first equation is V equal to GT. Okay. Second is T equal to root of 2H by G. So when a body is falling freely, we have to apply this equation to solve the problems. Okay, V equal to root of 2GH. Okay. Next is H equal to V square by 2G. Take small because in the textbook they are following that notation, so we will write down same notations here. H equal to V square by 2G. So these are the freely falling body equations. Next, 13th one, vertically projected bodies. For this one, the equations are T equal to U by G. Okay. Next is H equal to U square by 2G. Right. V equal to U minus GT. H equal to UT minus half GT square. V square minus U square equal to minus 2GH. So when it is vertically upward, your G will be minus. So in the kinematic equations, you will get this minus sign there, v equal to u plus 8, you know that a will become minus g. Next is about projectile. Two types are there here. One is fired parallel. This is fired parallel. This one is with angle. It is created with some angle, right? So your time of the flight, when it is fired parallel to horizontal, fired parallel to horizontal, right? In shortcut way, because there is a guide now, in shortcut form you have to write down these points. So the time of the flight t equal to root of 2 h by g. This is the time of the flight. Horizontal range r equal to u into root of 2h by g. Okay, right. Next is velocity, v equal to root of u square plus g square t square. When it is fired with angle, your t equal to, that is time of the flight equal to 2u sin theta by g. Okay, and this is the maximum height h equal to u square sin 2 theta by g. Okay, so these are which one some points for your NEET exam, 14 points. In next video we will continue from 15th point. Okay, thank you.